Hello dear pupils, Teacher Cel is back. How are you? Great! I am good too. Welcome to your fourth learning packet in Christian Living. So before we start, kindly get your Christian Living packet with you and your pencil. Are you ready? Let's start! Our topic for today is all about God helps me do everything. So what are the things that you can do? Again? Very good. So there are many things that you can do alone. So here are our lesson goals. Number 1, differentiate the things that we can do. Number 2, learn to take care of ourselves by keeping healthy. And the last, manifest the value of Mary's Fiat by developing and taking good care of our uniqueness and giftedness. So I'll be showing you the things a child like you can do. Are you ready? Okay. We are smart. We are bright. We can read. We can write. We can spell. We can tell. We can dance. We can play. We are good and we are wise. We can turn once or twice. We can paint, we can draw. We can jump high and low. We are sharp, we are quick. We can speak, we can think. We can count, we can add. We can subtract, we can divide. We are gifted, we are witty. We can dance gracefully. We can sing a happy song. We can tell right from wrong. We are special, we are nice. We can bake delicious pies. We can name plants and birds. We can tell nouns from verbs. So the poem is by Pilar Romero. So those are the things a child like you can do. Now that you know what are the things that you can do, how are you going to keep yourself healthy? What are you going to do? Very good. We should take a bath. Are you taking a bath? Very good. You should. How about sleep early? Great! We should sleep at least 6 to 8 hours a day. How about this one? Very good! We should eat delicious foods like vegetables and fruits. We should also take vitamins. And also, we can keep our body healthy by exercising daily. So here are ways also on how are we going to take good care of our body. Try to choose healthy options when eating out. Also, try to eat foods from all food groups each day. Also, junk food is a treat that should not be eaten all the time. Also, drink water, or drinking water is best than drinking too many fizzy drinks. Also, enough sleep is important for a healthy growing body and mind. And last, regular exercise is important for our health and is also fun. So what are the things that you can do again? Very good. And how are you going to take good care of your body? Great. So now that you know what are the things that you can do alone or the things that you can do, and you know also how to take good care of yourselves, I know that you can do the activities in your Christian Living Pocket. If you still have any question, you can contact me on my number or message me on my Facebook or Messenger account. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day and God bless you.